So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw here in design wizard. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up the app or the website in your browser, then go to the left hand side of your screen, go to the elements tab right here, press on elements. Then what I want you to do is actually go to the bottom to where it says shapes, and I don't want you to press the square, the triangle, or the circle. I want you to press this arrow right here, right beside the circle. Simply pressing the arrow to where you get this pencil icon, and if you press the pencil icon, you're now in the draw mode. So just by default, it draws like a little, small line. If you want to change this around, you can just go to the top here, and then you can change the line color. So you can make the line color red if you want, or make it yellow. You can also too change the mode, so you can change it from a pencil to a circle to a spray to a pattern, whatever. So if I wanted to go, circle right here, I can do circle. If you want to change it around, you can change it around this way and basically just play around with it. So there you go, just like that. I'm now drawing here in Design Wizard. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can draw here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.